Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a chat or how to start a new chat on a Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Chat. So here I already open my Google Chat, and please take a look on this bottom line. You will see a new chat button. You just need to click the new chat button here, and after that, since you're already in this person or page search engine, you just need to like entering the name or the email of the person that you want to send the chats to. For example, okay, for me, so actually this Google Chat is generated or linked with your Gmail account. So if you already send some email into someone, you'll be like generated to into the search button. So for example, this one, I already sent some message from Gmail all days into Matcha Espresso. So the Matcha Espresso is shown in the search button or search tools. And now you can start typing the message like say hi. Okay, and after you're done typing the message, you just need to send. And that's all the way how you create a new message on a Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.